In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Notion in 2025. This full tutorial is designed to guide you through the simple steps needed to seamlessly bring your Asana projects directly into Notion, making your workflow more efficient and centralized. To get started, you'll first want to open Asana and navigate to the specific project you'd like to connect to Notion. Once you're there, locate the Share button, which you'll find within the project interface. Clicking on the Share button will present you with an option to copy the project link. This link is crucial as it allows you to embed the project into Notion, so make sure to have it ready on your clipboard. Next, shift over to Notion and open the page where you'd like your Asana project to appear. This is where our magic of integration happens. In your Notion page, simply paste the Asana project link that you just copied. Upon pasting, Notion will prompt you with an option labeled Create Embed. Select this option, and just like that, your Asana project will now be visible right inside your Notion page. You'll notice that this is a view-only embed. It's important to remember that while this allows you to see all your project details from Asana directly within Notion, you won't be able to make direct task updates in Asana from Notion. This functionality is ideal if your goal is to have all of your project information accessible in one place for easy reference and strategic planning. Integrating Asana with Notion not only centralizes your information, making it easier to manage, but also enhances your team's ability to collaborate by providing visibility into project status without having to switch between different apps constantly. While direct task management won't be a feature with this embed, the visibility it provides encourages informed decision-making and keeps everyone on the same page. To summarize, it's a beautifully simple process. Grab your Asana project link, head over to Notion, paste and embed it, and voila! Your Asana environment is now displayed seamlessly within Notion, enhancing productivity without the hassle of navigating multiple platforms. Embrace this integration to streamline your workflow, keeping all the critical information within fingertip reach and empowering your projects to progress unhindered by platform switching. That wraps up our tutorial on connecting Asana to Notion. Feel free to explore and refine this setup to best suit your needs. Remember, the key to successful project management is having information readily accessible, and this integration certainly provides that. Thanks for watching. And make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials to boost your